awesome truck, I tell you. It's got it running right now. Big 4-inch exhaust. Wow. That's nice. That is a nice truck. This is for you, Michael. I'm gonna send you this video. Look at that. Oh, that's a nice sound. Deep throaty. Nice. I gotta look at this truck again because I got a 66 just like this one that I'm building. You all know that.